We're here at Troy's Farmers Market. I'm gonna show you all how to cook with induction stove tops. 2 words you think about when you hear induction cooking. First thing that comes out in your mouth.
Food.
Hot food.
My only concern is that it accepts some of the metals and some it doesn't.
You can test your pans. You don't have to throw all your pans away. And you can test your pans by putting a magnet on the bottom of it. You have a cast iron pot, right?
Sure.
Right there. That is your induction cooking vessel. It's a ferrous, iron-based pan. It's basically what it is. I'm here at Troy Farmers Market. Crikey. When you hear induction cooking, what do you say?
Induction cooking.
Quickly now.
Oh, stove I wish I had.
So right now, I can take this up and this is always cold. This is the only thing. With induction cooking, only the vessel that you are cooking with is the vessel that gets hot. Everything else is cold. It's safer, cleaner, and healthier.
We swapped out our gas stove for induction 2 years ago. It's so much better because you can control the heat
extremely consistent.
a lot better. It's safer.
Yes.
And it's much easier to clean. I didn't think I would ever want to switch from gas because I grew up with terrible electric stoves, but these are like totally different and a lot better.
There's a new way of cooking. It's a healthier way of cooking using induction. If you want to know more information, go to NYSERDA.ny.gov. I said it right, yes.